Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. I hope all of you are doing great. Today, I'm back with a very special, very delicious, and super comforting winter dessert that is loved by everyone, Gajar Ka Halwa. This sweet dish is not just a dessert, it's an emotion. Especially in winters, when the weather is cold and you want something warm, rich, and homemade, Gajar Ka Halwa is the perfect choice. Its aroma, its taste, and its texture make it absolutely irresistible. Before we move ahead, I have a small request. Please watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important step. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my delicious recipes. Now, let's start with the recipe. First of all, take 2 kilograms of fresh red carrots. Wash them thoroughly to remove all dirt, then peel them nicely. After that, grate all the carrots using a grater. Make sure the carrots are finely grated, this helps the halwa cook evenly and taste even better. Now take a large heavy bottom pot and add 2 liters of full cream milk to it. Add the grated carrots into the milk and place it on medium heat. Let this mixture cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring continuously so the milk doesn't stick or burn from the bottom. You will notice that the carrots start becoming soft and the milk slowly begins to reduce. At this stage, add 1 cup of Desi ghee. This is the secret ingredient that gives Gajar Ka Halwa its rich taste and beautiful shine. Now add cardamom powder for a lovely aroma and mix everything very well. Cook it patiently, because slow cooking is the key to a perfect halwa. Next, add 1 cup of sugar. After adding sugar, stir continuously. The mixture will become slightly watery again, but don't worry, just keep cooking until the milk dries up completely and the halwa becomes thick and creamy. Once the milk has fully dried and the halwa starts leaving the side, Usko aki tarik esi pekan kabad jabiska dad kash hojega to usko akesi apni uski andar Khoya dal dina hai or Khoya ko Ms. Karlina hai bus ya tayar hai fir yupper esi garnish karna hai nurse kasath or apni ko kane kuliya ready hai. Thank you for watching.